I am the English tense. Don't be afraid. Hello, yes, it's me, the one they always talk about and often fear. I am the English tense. But today, don't be afraid. I'm not here to confuse you. I'm here to finally speak with you. Just for 2 minutes. You see, I have 3 forms, and I promise I'm not as scary as I look in grammar books. Let's start with the one you're using right now, the present. When you say, I am listening, or she is learning, that's me, present tense. I live in the now. I stay close. I flow with your breath. Then comes my memory, the past. I walked with you yesterday. I felt happy when we met. That was me again, but with a little dust of time. And yes, I also dream. So I created the future. I will meet you tomorrow, or we will grow, slowly but surely. That's me. Speaking with hope, each of my 3 forms, present, past, and future, are just ways to help you tell your story, clearly, calmly, confidently. But wait, I have a little surprise. Each of these forms has 4 parts. Yes, just like tea has milk, water, sugar, and warmth. My parts are called simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. But hey, not today. Let's keep it simple. Let's stay present. I'll come back next time. With my first cup, simple tense. Till then, remember, I'm not here to test you. I'm here to talk with you. Because I'm not just grammar. I'm your voice in time. Before you close this window, take one breath in the present, smile at one memory from the past, and dream one gentle hope for the future. If this helped you see grammar with heart, don't just leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe for more, and tap the bell so next time when I return with simple tense, you'll be the first to hear me speak again. Because this isn't just grammar, it's your story. Told in time,